Hello everybody. Okay, customer overseas asked me to build him a Blackface Champ. He sent me a Champ 12, which I gutted and completely rebuilt it point to point inside this chassis. It's a 230 volt requirement. So what I did was I have my variac over here set to approximately 110 volts. I think you could see that. And that gives me, as you can see, about 230 volts. So the amp will be running at the proper voltage. Okay. This thing is very cool. It's a step up and down transformer. So all I need to do is take the plug from the amplifier, plug it in here. Whoops. And voila, I have a working amplifier and all the voltages are beautiful. Okay. So here's what it looks like from the inside. The only part of it that's on a turret board, if you will, are the 4 caps. That's it. Everything else is point to point. It's got a new power transformer because the original one did not have provision for a rectifier tube, which the customer wanted. So this was the power tube. It's now the rectifier. I put in an additional tube. This is running a 6L6 single-ended. And what else? I had to put in a new fuse holder, put in the IEC connector, cut in the transformer, which is a Hammond. Got him this nice faceplate, which this is just fingerprint oil. This comes right off. I put in a 3-way bright switch. What else? Standby, which is kind of unnecessary for these amps, but that's what the gentleman ordered. So that's what he got. Okay. Hello again. I'm going to be playing this part strat. No effects. I'm plugged straight into the amp right here. And the amp is outputted to a small, like Tweed deluxe sized 112 cabinet with an Eminence GB128 in it. There's a Sennheiser 609 going to the door. No effects were used in recording. Okay, so let's start off, well, as you see it, my volume's roughly on 3. This little guy has a lot of headroom. I added an extra 22 UF capacitor to help tame the 60 cycle hum. There's still a tiny bit of 60 cycle hum, but that is something that goes along with just about every single-ended amplifier. This thing is only maybe 5 watts. You can see there's a little tiny output transformer over here. This is a new power transformer in order to handle the rectifier. So you got a rectifier back here and a 6L6. This was originally a Champ 12 that was gutted out. Okay, so it's got a 3-way bright switch. Middle is off, low is low bright, and up is high bright. So there's a ton of headroom in this thing. As they say, it's a great pedal platform. Alright, so we're now about halfway up. lock it up one more. Bring it up to 7. As you can hear, it's still clean. It'll stay clean up to around 8. Bang the base back a little bit. Once you get past 8, you start getting break. Back up on a treble. Bass. Like I said, great pedal platform. Okay, so let's go back here, lower it down. This is low bright. Off, high bright. Off, low. Right about between 6 and 7, you get a great amount of output, nice and full sound. not playing with a pick. Okay, hope you enjoyed that.